In this video I'm going to be building this, which is now sold as the 8 Innovation or Haynes classic camera. Mine says Haynes because it's a new old stock example I've had for a little while, but they're now sold as 8 Innovation, available through Amazon and other retailers, but essentially it's the same bit of kit. So those of you who follow me on Instagram will know that this has been sitting around since August and waiting its turn, and yeah, wasn't planning to build it just yet. However, I've had to sit out for the last 10 days in isolation after contracting COVID. So let's get it unboxed and let's get building. Well, on the whole, that wasn't a bad way to spend sort of 25-30 minutes building that little kit. There were a few tricky bits where slightly more nimble fingers than mine would find it easier, including wrestling with the world's smallest shutter spring. And on the whole, though, it wasn't too bad and quite fun. But with a plastic lens and the potential for some light leaks there, I'm not expecting the photographs to be fantastic, and certainly it's going to be more or less a lomography type camera like a Holger or something similar like a Diana, where light leaks and sort of slightly iffy image quality are a part of the charm. I do think that for the majority of people the fun is in actually putting these things together rather than using the camera itself. However, at less than £20, This is not going to break the bank, and it's certainly a fun gift for a photographer who wants to try the novelty of shooting film. In part 2 of this video, I'm going to be going out with this camera. I've ordered some film, and unfortunately I don't get out of my own lockdown until after the weekend, but hopefully in a week or two's time I'll have shot the film, had it processed, and I'll get to share those images with you. So for now, thank you very much for watching. As usual, much appreciated if you've got this far in the video, and if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, that'd be great. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It's free, it doesn't cost you a thing, and you get to see more videos. If you'd like to help out the channel financially, then I do have a buy me a coffee link in the description below, and usually what happens is all that money that is donated gets reinvested into kit for the channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.